So first we're setting the scene. This is the Nayaka, there's the hero and the heroine. So the heroine is being introduced first, Radharani, the Nayaka. The Nayak will come soon. And then all the we haven't heard about the Sevites. We've heard about the Sevites in terms of the non-moving entities. The sprouts are serving Radharani, the vines, the sprouts, the ground, the Brajabhumi. And now it's just Radharani, she's the star. It's a movie of one, Radharani, and she's moving through the lilas talis, obviously with the Sakis, Manjaris, and Krishna. And she's touching the flower buds and the vines and creepers. Valari means creeper, Utkalika Valari. And she's picking flowers and leaves to make a garland. Because Krishna's garlands, they have leaves, they have flowers, they have flower buds, all these things. So this is the preparation, this is the runway for the flight, the runway for the flight of Leela. So he concludes this verse 14 of Radha Sunanidhi by praying that his mind will find pleasure in the playground of Vrindavan. This is playground of Vrindavan means Vihara Vipane. Vipan Bihari is a name for Krishna. Bihari means the enjoyer, and Vipin means forest. So Radharani, he's praying to his mind that he should find pleasure here. There's no pleasure outside of Vrindavan. Because outside, this is the manjari you, that's the preacher you, or businesswoman, whatever you do. And this is my friend. So we're just concluding this verse, praying to the mind. So he says, thus in Radha Vipan Bihari, Sham is enjoying amorous pastimes in the forest of Braj. Bihara Vipane Ramatam, Raman. He prays that these intimate leelas and the glories of Radharani's land of Vrindavan may enter his mind. That's basically the meaning of line 4, and that is the sum and substance of every devotee's prayer. Every Raghunuga Bhakta who's aspiring for Manjari Bhav and Siddha Swarup as Radharani's Kinkari. Radha Vihara Vipane Ramatam Manome. Radha Vihara Vipam. This is the playground. That's why the title of the verse is given that Vrindavan is the playground of Radharani. She's like I said yesterday, it's one playboy and one playgirl. So the playboy is Krishna. Bihari means playboy. And Biharini. Yeah, Raman Bihari. Raman Bihari means he who plays at Raman, and Raman means the intimate enjoyment of man and woman is Raman, Ramana. So and Ramani, Raman and Ramani. So she's Biharini and Bihari. So this is, our mind should be there. In the letters book Prabhupada is writing, when one disciple wrote him a letter and said, Prabhupada, when I'm chanting Hare Krishna, sometimes I remember Krishna's pastimes from Krishna book. He didn't say Govinda Lila Amrita. He didn't say Bhavanamrita or Krishna Kumodi or whatever. And so is that okay? So then Prabhupada wrote back and said, yes. This is very good. You must come to the platform when you're chanting Hare Krishna, you remember Krishna's Leelas.